Imagine what would happen if you simply stopped eating, no snacks, no meals, nothing, for just 3 days. Would you feel weak? Would your body shut down? Or could something incredible happen inside your system? Welcome to Official Senior Health, where today we dive deep into the fascinating science behind what happens to your body when you stop eating for 72 hours. Stay tuned because the truth might surprise you. 1. The first 12 hours, your body switches to stored energy. When you stop eating, your body doesn't immediately start shutting down. In fact, for the first 12 hours or so, your body is still running on the glucose, sugar, that's already in your bloodstream coming from your last meal. This sugar is the primary fuel your brain and muscles rely on for energy. But once this quick energy source is used up, your body faces a critical decision. It needs to switch to stored energy. This stored energy comes from glycogen, a form of glucose stored mainly in your liver and muscles. Glycogen breaks down to release glucose into the bloodstream, keeping your energy levels stable for up to about 24 hours of fasting. Here's where it gets interesting. During this period, your insulin levels drop and your body starts producing more glucagon, a hormone that signals your liver to release glucose from glycogen stores. This shift is crucial because it ensures that your brain and other vital organs continue to receive energy, even without food intake. But what happens after those glycogen stores are gone? That's when your body goes into a completely different metabolic state, and it's absolutely fascinating. 2. After 24 hours, the onset of ketosis and fat burning. Once your glycogen stores are depleted, usually around 24 hours of fasting, your body begins to enter a state called ketosis. This is when your metabolism switches from burning glucose to burning fat for energy. Ketosis is your body's natural survival mechanism. Without incoming calories, your liver starts converting stored fat into molecules called ketone bodies, which can cross the blood-brain barrier and serve as an alternative fuel for your brain. This fat-burning phase is one of the reasons fasting has gained popularity as a weight loss method, but it's more than just shedding pounds. Ketones have been shown to have neuroprotective properties, potentially improving brain function and reducing inflammation. However, your body's transition to ketosis also explains some common fasting side effects, like headaches, dizziness, and irritability, sometimes called the keto flu. These symptoms occur as your body adapts to a new fuel source. What's even more surprising is how your immune system and cellular repair processes kick into high gear during this fat-burning phase, almost like your body goes into cleanup mode. 3. Cellular repair and autophagy, your body's deep cleaning process. One of the most incredible things that happen when you stop eating for several days is autophagy. Derived from Greek meaning self-eating, autophagy is the process where your cells literally clean out damaged components, recycling old proteins and malfunctioning parts. During normal eating cycles, autophagy occurs at a baseline level, but fasting triggers it dramatically. This means your body starts removing damaged cells and regenerating healthier ones, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, and heart disease. Research suggests that fasting-induced autophagy may extend lifespan and improve overall health by maintaining cellular function and preventing the buildup of cellular waste. For seniors and those concerned about aging, this natural detoxification process can be particularly valuable, helping maintain vitality and reduce the wear and tear of time. But here's a question. What happens to your muscle mass during fasting? Does your body eat away at muscle, or does it somehow preserve it? The answer is not what most people think. 4. Muscle preservation and protein conservation during fasting. A common fear about fasting is that you will lose precious muscle mass, especially during extended periods without food. After all, muscles are made of protein, and if your body is starved, won't it break down muscle for energy? Interestingly, the body has evolved to protect muscle during short-term fasting, like a 3-day fast. While some muscle protein breakdown does occur, the rate is surprisingly low compared to fat breakdown. This preservation is largely thanks to ketosis. When your body produces ketones, it reduces its reliance on amino acids from muscle protein for energy. Additionally, growth hormone levels spike during fasting, helping to preserve lean muscle tissue. For older adults, this is encouraging news because it means short fasts are unlikely to cause significant muscle loss, especially if you maintain physical activity and proper nutrition when you resume eating. But fasting also affects your hormones and metabolism in ways you might not expect. In fact, some of these changes could improve your long-term health and even help you live longer. 5. Hormonal changes and metabolic boosts during fasting. When you stop eating, your body's hormone levels shift dramatically to help conserve energy and maintain vital functions. Insulin levels fall, which helps with fat burning and reduces the risk of insulin resistance, a key factor in type 2 diabetes. At the same time, growth hormone secretion increases, sometimes by as much as 5-fold. This hormone supports fat metabolism, muscle preservation, and overall cellular repair. Adrenaline and noradrenaline also increase, promoting alertness and mobilizing energy stores. These changes help explain why some people feel more focused or energized after a day or two of fasting, despite not eating. From a metabolic standpoint, your basal metabolic rate may initially stay stable or even increase slightly, contrary to the idea that fasting slows metabolism. And here's a twist. Your gut and digestive system also get a powerful reset during these 3 days without food. 6. The gut and digestive system reset. Your digestive system is one of the most hard-working parts of your body, processing food and absorbing nutrients day in and day out. When you fast, your gut gets a chance to rest and repair. Without constant food intake, the lining of your intestines can regenerate, improving the gut barrier function and potentially reducing inflammation and leaky gut symptoms. Furthermore, fasting may help balance your gut microbiome by starving harmful bacteria and promoting beneficial ones, which can have far-reaching effects on your immune system, mental health, and digestion. However, reintroducing food after a fast requires care because your gut enzymes and motility slow down during fasting. Starting with light, easy-to-digest meals is key to avoiding discomfort. But what about your mental and emotional state during these 3 days? The effects go far beyond the physical. 7. Mental clarity and emotional effects of fasting. Many people report a surprising increase in mental clarity, focus, and even mood improvement during fasting, especially after the first day. This mental sharpness is thought to be related to the increased ketone production, which provides a clean and efficient fuel for the brain. Fasting may also stimulate the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports brain health, learning, and memory. On the flip side, some individuals may experience irritability, anxiety, or low mood, particularly in the first 24-48 hours. These feelings often diminish as the body adapts. Emotionally, fasting can be a powerful experience, teaching mindfulness around eating habits, hunger cues, and body awareness. Conclusion. So what happens when you stop eating for 3 days? Your body undergoes an incredible transformation, from burning stored sugar to fat-burning ketosis to deep cellular repair and gut reset. Hormones adjust to preserve muscle and boost metabolism, while your brain gets a cleaner fuel source, sometimes sharpening your focus and mood. Fasting isn't for everyone, especially seniors or those with certain health conditions. So always consult a healthcare professional before trying a prolonged fast. But understanding these powerful processes can help you appreciate your body's resilience and remarkable ability to heal itself when given the chance. If you found this video helpful and fascinating, make sure to subscribe to Official Senior Health for more health insights tailored to seniors and wellness seekers. Thank you for watching. Take care of your body. It's the only home you have.